That image stopped people in their tracks. A man standing in court with his mouth sealed shut by tape. It looked unreal, almost staged. But it was real, and what led to that moment divided the world. Was this an extreme but necessary act to regain control? Or did it cross a line that should never be crossed in a courtroom? What unfolded inside that room shocked judges, lawyers, and millions online. This wasn't silence enforced by authority. It was silence forced physically. And the question still lingers years later. Was justice being protected, or was it violated? This case goes far beyond one defendant. It exposes the tension between authority, restraint, and the limits of power inside the legal system. Today, we break down the full story behind the defendant whose mouth was taped shut and why the decision still fuels outrage and debate. Franklin Williams became a national headline during what should have been a routine sentencing hearing. He was facing several charges tied to robbery and fraud stemming from multiple cases in Ohio. Prosecutors said Williams had systematically deceived victims, leaving behind serious financial damage. While his legal troubles had already drawn attention locally, nothing compared to what happened once he stepped into the courtroom. From the beginning, Williams was known for being openly disruptive. He repeatedly spoke over the judge, ignored instructions, and interrupted hearings despite constant warnings. Court records indicate he had been given multiple opportunities to speak in an appropriate manner, especially during sentencing. Instead, he continued to argue, shout, and derail the proceedings, showing little regard for courtroom rules or authority. The tension finally boiled over during a 2018 sentencing hearing. After yet another interruption, Judge John Russo made a decision that stunned everyone present. Declaring that all other options had failed, he ordered Williams's mouth to be sealed with red tape. For more than a minute, Williams sat there unable to speak. The courtroom froze. Some described the scene as unbelievable. Others said it was deeply unsettling.
All my property out my sale today.
Mr. Williams, I'm the judge in the matter. Shut your mouth, and I'll tell you when you can talk. You got it? It's the same rules we played by while we were here in trial, every time we were here for a pretrial. So just follow the same rules. Fair enough? So at this point, I'm going to hear from your lawyers, and that means zip it.
But you're not letting me.
That means zip it right now.
I'm trying to.
Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't.
No. Does the comment quit talking? Do you understand that?
Because you're trying to take my life.
No.
And you're not letting me tell you what's going on.
Take your life for what? What do you mean
It's not fair. You're trying to take my life.
What does that mean?
On the heat and on the document.
Again, I'm going to interrupt. Mr. Williams, listen to me. If we have to, I will gag you in 1 second. So listen, you will get a chance to talk. I'm going to gag you in 1 second. So just listen to me. Zip it until I give you a chance to talk. You'll get a chance to talk. I am going to give you a chance to talk. Here it is again. So you said to me you understand this comment. Zip it. Right now.
Yeah, don't you let it play about me getting shot on the bus for a whole week. Let that play.
Mr. Williams will.
Mr. Williams, be very simple to gag you. You'll get a chance to speak.
Tell me black women just walked in here.
Okay,
So I haven't been around.
Let's go back.
Years.
Zip it. Anything you want to add to your insanity? And the
Put me on
jury
trial.
gave that with the verdict.
That's a violation of the HIPAA law, Judge.
Here we go. I'm going to tape it,
Put me on trial.
and then I'll unzip it when I want you to talk. Because the young lady over here can't take down everything. You know how this works. We've been in the courtroom at least 50 times as we prepared for trial. I'll give him a chance to speak at sentencing.
Take me out.
No, I'd like you to speak.
Mr. Williams, I want to make it real clear. If you spit on, attempt to bite, or injure any of my deputies,
None of that, man.
you're going to have a bad day.
None of that.
Oh, you
Put the
clear?
tape on me, man. We done with this shit.
That's what it is.
We'll go back on the record. Mr. Williams will have a chance to speak.
And I'll be monitoring everything I say.
Go ahead.
How can I speak?
The footage spread rapidly online, igniting a nationwide argument about courtroom behavior, civil liberties, and how far a judge can go to maintain order. Lawyers, legal scholars, and advocacy groups weighed in almost immediately. Many experts argued that regardless of how disruptive a defendant may be, physically silencing someone raises profound constitutional and ethical concerns. Others defended the judge, saying order must be preserved at all costs. This wasn't just about discipline. It forced a much larger question into the spotlight. Where does authority stop, and where does human dignity begin? Judges are trained to control their courtrooms, but visible physical restraints, especially ones like this, are extremely rare and often viewed as excessive. This moment became part of a larger pattern of viral courtroom incidents, from emotional breakdowns to explosive outbursts to enforce silence. Now it's your turn. Was the judge restoring order? Or did this decision cross a line that should never be crossed in a courtroom? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone. Click the next video on your screen, and I'll see you there.